The problem with this pressure washer is a loss of compression, and I found out why. Get the valve cover off, 4 bolts, and then this here, you just push the spring in and turn it, and then you can take the whole thing out, and it's right here. And these parts go in like this, that push the valves open. There's a pin in here, pull the pin out, and then this comes right out, and there's 2 of them. So the problem here is, I'll show you. Push the valve in, comes to a point there where it gets stuck, and then you have to do that to get it out all the way. So what happens is, when it's not coming out all the way, if you slowly pull on the string, when it does the compression stroke, you won't feel anything. So when you pull it, you won't feel anything because there's no compression. Then as soon as you pull this valve closed all the way against the resistance in there, and you pull the string, and when you pull the string and you get to compression stroke, see, I actually I can't do it right now because I got it elevated on this to keep the oil from dripping out, but you get the idea. So we have to figure out how to do that. I'm spraying some WD-40 in here to try to break up whatever is in there that's jamming it. This pressure washer had no compression, and then as soon as I pulled that valve all the way out to close it, and then started pulling the string, there was compression again. So this valve is the problem. It's stuck for some reason. There's some debris in there. What you're going to want to do is get a drill and very slowly turn it and pull it back and forth to try to break up whatever it is that's making it stick. And do not pull the valve all the way closed when you're using the drill, because you don't want to scrape the valve against the surface that it seals onto. I can already see doing this. There's still a little resistance there, but it's moving it back and forth a lot easier than before.